I wish I knew before. Somali rice with goat meat is the ultimate comfort food. Let's cook it together. Start by rinsing 2 cups of basmati rice until the water runs clear. Soak it for 30 minutes, then drain. Now heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large pot. Toss in a finely chopped onion, sauté until translucent. Add 4 minced garlic cloves, giving it a minute to get fragrant. Next up, add 500 grams of goat meat chunks, browning them on all sides. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon each of cumin, coriander, turmeric, salt and pepper. Stir, then add enough water to cover the meat by an inch. Let it simmer for an hour until tender. Once tender, remove the meat and set aside. Bring 6 cups of water to a boil in another pot. Add the soaked rice and a tablespoon of salt, cooking for 7 minutes. Drain and set aside. Layer half the rice in your first pot. Add the meat and top with the remaining rice. Cover tightly and steam on low for 45 minutes. Fluff it up and serve with a fresh cucumber, tomato, onion salad. And remember, in Somali culture, they eat rice with bananas. Enjoy your delicious Somali lunch rice with goat meat.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes coming your way.